Once you logged into your Tax 1099 account, you can find the extension forms on the dashboard, displayed on the top right. Or you can click Forms from the left blue menu bar. To create your extension, this page displays all Tax 1099 forms. Scroll to the bottom to find the extension forms or use the search bar to locate them quickly. To file your Form 4868 individual tax extension, click on Form 4868. You'll be redirected to the Easy Extension Forms page where you can proceed with filing your extension. Enter required details in each field to proceed further. Enter the first name as registered with the IRS and the last name. And then next, enter the Social Security number. Next, confirm your SSN. And choose filing type as per your requirement. Then enter the address information. Here the zip code is mandatory. Then click on Save and continue to proceed further steps. Here provide your additional information and choose appropriate checkboxes. Select this if you are out of the country, then choose this if you filed Form 1040-NR or 1040-NR-EZ. Then click on Save and Continue. Here selects the right option as per your requirements. Select this option if you're expecting a refund from the IRS or you do not owe any taxes to the IRS. Select this option if you owe taxes to the IRS and figure out in the below options. Then click on Save and Continue. You'll be redirected to the Unsubmitted page. Then select the filer, form type, and review once before clicking on the Submit Selected. Then click on Submit Selected. Confirm your submission to finalize your forms to the IRS. Now choose the payment method, whether you like to pay with prepaid balance or card. If you have prepaid balance, or if you want to add, you can click on this Add Prepaid Balance and add funds and proceed with your payment. Or you can simply pay using the card option. Click here to add new card. Once added, saved card will shown like this. Select, then here, enter your billing address and payer's email, and click on Pay. You would be displayed Payment Successful screen containing payment ID and reference number of your filings. You can take and save a screenshot for future reference. Now to check the submission status of your filings. Click on the dashboard option and select the fields. Here under the status column, you can see the status of your filings. If you see submission status as submitted, it means the form has sent to the IRS and awaiting response. Rejected means not accepted by the IRS. Fix the issue and resubmit. And if accepted is shown, it means the form are successfully accepted by the IRS.